You want to fix your body, start with your morning. And I'm not talking about journaling, cold plunges, or green smoothies. I'm talking about moving you, the floor, and 5 minutes of calisthenics. Most people wake up and check their phone, then wonder why they feel weak, anxious, or distracted. It's simple. You don't move, so your brain doesn't work. Motion first and focus follows. This routine, it's short, it's simple, and that's why it works. It doesn't burn 1,000 calories. It rewires your brain to build the habit of just showing up. So, you want progress? I've got the perfect calisthenics morning routine, and all you have to do is start it. 5 movements, 2 rounds, and just 5 minutes. Done. Push-ups, 30 seconds, full range. Can't do it? Then use a wall or a chair. Excuses don't count as reps. Squats, 30 seconds. Your legs are meant to move, so move them. Bird dogs, 30 seconds. This improves your balance, core, and coordination. You don't need to look cool. You need to stop being fragile. Superman hold 30 seconds. If you sit all day, your spine already crying. Fix it. Plank 30 seconds. You want a strong core? Then earn it. Rest for 60 seconds, then do it again. That's it. That's simple. Here's why this matters. Every time you hit snooze, you're choosing to stay the same. This routine, it helps you break that pattern and finally do something different. When you move first thing in the morning, you build momentum. You're training your brain to act, not wait. You do this routine for 30 days, you'll feel stronger, you'll move better. But more importantly, you'll build discipline, the real kind, the earned kind. Because real discipline doesn't happen when it's easy. It's built early alone before the noise kicks in. Showing up when it's easy means nothing. Anyone can train when it feels good. Winners do it when it's not. Still thinking? Then let me make it real clear. If 5 minutes sounds too hard, you don't want to change. You want comfort. And that's fine. But don't lie to yourself. But if you're done with excuses, here's your move. 5 minutes every morning. No exceptions. You've got the routine. Now the only question is, are you actually doing it tomorrow? If you're in, drop day 1 in the comments and hit subscribe. I've got more coming to keep you moving forward. You want to fix your body, start with your morning. And I'm not talking about journaling, cold plunges, or green smoothies. I'm talking about you, the floor, and 5 minutes of calisthenics. That's it. No equipment, no hype, no overthinking. Just movement. Most people wake up and immediately grab their phone. They scroll, they compare, they overload their brain before their body even wakes up. Then they wonder why they feel weak, anxious, unfocused, and behind before the day has even started. It's not a mystery. You didn't move, so your brain never switched on. Your body is a physical system. Motion comes first. Focus follows. This routine is short. It's simple. And that's exactly why it works. It's not designed to burn 1,000 calories or make you sore for 3 days. It's designed to rewire your brain to build the habit of showing up. Because real progress doesn't start with intensity, it starts with consistency. If you can't commit to 5 minutes, the problem isn't motivation, it's honesty. So here it is. 5 movements, 2 rounds, 5 minutes, done. Push-ups for 30 seconds. Full range of motion, chest to the floor, lock out at the top. If you can't do push-ups, use a wall, use a chair, drop to your knees. Meet yourself where you are, but don't lie to yourself. Excuses don't count as reps. Push-ups wake up your chest, shoulders, arms, and nervous system. You're telling your body the day has started. Squats for 30 seconds. No wait, just move. Your legs were built to bend, extend, and carry you through life. Sitting all day weakens them, stiffens your hips, and drains your energy. So move your legs. Control the motion. Breathe. Bird dogs for 30 seconds, slow and controlled. This builds balance, coordination, and core stability. Things you lose when you stop using your body properly. You don't need to look cool doing this. You need to stop being fragile. Superman hold for 30 seconds. If you sit most of the day, your spine is already under Saint. Rest. Rounded shoulders, tight hips, weak lower back. That's not age. That's neglect. This movement reminds your spine what it's supposed to do. Plank for 30 seconds. No shortcuts, no sagging. Breathe and hold tension. You want a strong core? Then earn it. That's 1 round. Rest for 60 seconds. Then do it again. That's the routine. No music required, no special space. Just 5 minutes of action before the world starts pulling at you. And here's why this matters. Every time you hit snooze, you're choosing comfort over change. You're training yourself to delay, to avoid, to negotiate with yourself first thing in the morning. This routine breaks that pattern. When you move as soon as you wake up, you build momentum. You train your brain to act instead of wait. Do this every morning for 30 days and yes, you'll feel stronger. You'll move better. Your posture will improve. But the real result is discipline, not motivation, not hype, real discipline. The kind you earn alone, early, before the noise kicks in, before notifications, before excuses. Showing up when it feels easy means nothing. Anyone can train when they're motivated. Winners show up when it's quiet, when it's boring, and when no one is watching. So let me make this clear. If 5 minutes sounds too hard, you don't want change. You want comfort, and that's fine. Just don't lie to yourself about it. But if you're done with excuses, this is your move. 5 minutes every morning, no exceptions. You've got the routine. Now the only question that matters is whether you're actually doing it tomorrow. And understand this isn't about fitness. This is about identity. This is about becoming the kind of person who does what they say they're going to do, even when no one is watching, even when it would be easier not to. Especially then, because most people don't fail from lack of information. They fail from lack of execution. They know what to do. They've watched the videos. They've saved the workouts. You've planned the perfect routine that starts next week, and next week never comes. 5 minutes removes that excuse. There's nowhere to hide. You don't need the perfect plan. You don't need energy. You don't need motivation. You just need to get on the floor and move. And once you do, something shifts. Your heart rate comes up. Your breathing changes. Blood starts moving. Your nervous system wakes up. Anxiety drops. Focus sharpens. Not because of magic, but because your body is finally doing what it was designed to do. This is how you stop feeling scattered all day. This is how you stop needing caffeine just to feel human. This is how you stop starting the day already behind. You take control early, when it counts, and don't underestimate how powerful that is. One small win in the morning changes how you carry yourself the rest of the day. You speak differently, you move differently, you make better choices not because you're forcing them, but because momentum is already on your SID. That's how habits stack. One action leads to another. Movement leads to clarity. Clarity leads to confidence. Confidence leads to discipline. And discipline changes everything. This routine won't impress anyone scrolling online. No one's clapping for 5 minutes of bodyweight work. And that's the point. This is for you. This is you proving to yourself, daily, that you're capable of doing hard things without an audience. And some mornings it won't feel good. Some mornings you'll feel stiff, tired, unmotivated. Do it anyway. Especially then, because discipline isn't built on your best days. It's built on the days you'd rather quit. You don't need perfect form. You don't need perfect energy. You just need effort. Show up messy. Show up tired. Show up anyway. And when your mind starts negotiating, when it tells you to skip, to delay, to do it later, recognize that voice. That's the same voice that keeps you stuck in every area of your life. This is how you shut it down. Not by arguing with it, by acting before it gets louder. 5 minutes. That's all it takes to remind yourself who's in charge. Do this long enough and you'll stop seeing it as a workout. It becomes non-negotiable, like brushing your teeth. You don't debate it. You don't wait to feel like it. You just do it. And once you lock this in, everything else gets easier. Longer workouts, better nutrition, better sleep, better focus. Because you've already won the hardest battle of the day, the one against yourself. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting to feel ready. Readiness comes after action, not before it. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't touch your phone. Touch the floor. Move your body. Earn your focus. Earn your confidence. Earn your discipline. 5 minutes, 2 rounds. No excuses. You don't need more information. You don't need another VIDE. Oh, you need to start. And when you finish, stand up knowing you did something most people won't. You chose action over comfort. You chose progress over excuses. And don't overthink tomorrow. Don't plan a new routine. Don't add extras. Don't turn this into another thing you quit. Simplicity is the advantage. 5 minutes is small enough to start and powerful enough to matter. That's why it works when everything else fails. Miss a day? Fine, don't miss twice. The goal isn't perfection, it's momentum. You're not trying to be extreme. You're trying to be consistent. Consistency beats intensity every time. This is how you rebuild trust with yourself. You say you're going to do something, and then you do it. That alone will change how you see yourself. Stronger body, stronger mind, stronger standards. So when the alarm goes off, don't negotiate, don't scroll, don't delay. Get down on the floor and move. 5 minutes. Start there. Everything else comes after.